Fantastic human. Hello, it's Roxy from Paperless X, and I am thrilled to be your instructor for this Freenotes course. Freenotes is a handwriting note-taking app for the iPad. It is a great alternative if you're trying to run away from subscriptions with Notability and good notes. At the time we're doing this course, it is a free app, but that might change in the future. In this course, we'll cover all the basics of creating your notes in the app, all the way to the complex features of using layers and expanding your notebook pages. To kickstart our course, let's orient ourselves with the app's homepage. It is the first part of the app that you encounter each time you open the app. The homepage is very simple. It has a sidebar on the left that you can toggle. The sidebar houses your folders in the app, and your folder contents appear on the right side of the screen. Above your folders, you have a stationery center with fonts, templates for planners and notebooks, stickers, and color palettes that you can download to use in the app. All these ideas we'll explore in this course.